Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download high resolution precipitation data with hourly, daily, monthly, and yearly temporal resolution. And without any further delay, let's get started. Open your browser. Let's open new tab. Open your browser and type select CHRS data portal. This is the home page where we can access our data, and at the left panel we can find list of different precipitation products like Persian CC, Persian CDR, and all are updated version of the Persian, and each product provide details information about its data resolution and source. And at the right panel, this feature we have an interaction map and download option for different data. Let's start with Persian. Here we'll find all information about Persian data, data coverage, resolution, and available data for downloading hourly, 3 hours, 6 hours, daily, monthly, and yearly, and also the references. The data availability for the Persian start from March 2000 up to present time. The Persian CCS resolution is better than the normal Persian, and the data coverage are same, and the period of the Persian CCS start from January 2003 at the present, and it's have a resolution of 0.3, and they have the same temporal resolution is hourly up to yearly data. The Persian CDR and the normal Persian, they have same resolution, which is 0.25, and here the normal one is 0.25. But the period of the Persian CDR start from January 1983 at the present, but the normal Persian is from 2000 at present. And the BDIR new and Persian CCS, they have same data coverage and resolution, but it different on the period. We'll see BDIR start from March 2000 at present, but Persian CC start from 2003. And the last one is Persian CCS CDR, and it is a combine of the Persian CCS and Persian CCDR, and is supposed to be the better version of all those products, but currently is not available for download. I think it's under development right now because it's have a high resolution, which is Boeing 4, and data coverage are same, but it starts from January 1983 at present. Let's go to the right panel. Here we'll find an interactive map. So we have an option to scroll down, zoom in to our specific location where we are interested to download data. And here in the bottom of the screen we'll find all information about how to download our data, and we have different option. In data set we have option to select which product we want to download. For example, we have Persian CCS and which version CDR. Let's start with Persian, and we have time step, daily, hourly, monthly, yearly, and we have accumulative data as well. And in domain we have many options to select our region. If we want to draw a rectangular region, we can select here, and if we want a country wise, we select from here. and the map will activate all countries around the world. And if we select here, it will get activate our area, and then we can easily download our data. And if you are interested on watershed or tributary or any specific location, or if we have a shapefile, we can select user shapefile and add our shapefile. So I want to download for a watershed. I will select watershed. It will activate all watershed in the world. Then I'll select any watershed I want. Let's navigate to other options. Here, visualization. If I want to visualize our data before downloading, I can select here and write the time step where I want to visualize my data. It will get visualize my data. I didn't select any time steps. Here download. In download we specify the starting date and ending date of my data. Let's start, for example, let's leave it as it is from March 2000. This is availability of the data, and first March. Then here let's say up to 2025. It is available up to 13 2025. And here's the format, which format you are interested. If you are working with ArcGIS, I suggest you to either select TIFF or ArcGrid. But if you are working with Python, it's better to use netcdf, and you can extract it using you can create your own code to extract your location, or you can use it as a special coverage. And here the format for the conversion of your data, zip data or TAR. And here final download option. Let's download our data. Everything is ready. Download. Okay, we have to select our location. Let's zoom to data, any watershed we are interested. Let's say any watershed here. So I'm interested on downloading this watershed. I will just press download. Okay, it's asking about select the starting date. Okay, let's say January, say download. Yeah. Okay, here please enter an email address to receive the data. Okay, here is asking to write my email. Yeah, it is here, and say download. Okay, now the download is added to my email address. Okay, let's download for another time steps. Let's say 1 hour, and specify our time. Say okay, and in time 2025, and say okay. It will download. I will need TIFF. Say download. Okay, download. It's successful. Close. And monthly data. Start time. Say okay. In time, yeah, it's fine. And if everything is clear, say download. Yes, download. Yeah, in this option we can download it from here. This for monthly, I think, and annually we can directly download it from here. Yeah, but for daily time step or hourly, it will take time, so they can process our data, and then they will send the link to our email. And it's mainly, it will not take time, within few minutes to hours they will send the link. Here yearly as well, select already specified in TIFF. And for this one you can use it is up to you if you want NetCDF or ARC, but for this tutorial I'm showing for TIFF. Okay, download. Yes, the link is provided here directly. Download it. Here accumulative data, and let's see another products. Let's say this one CC, like Persian CCS. Okay, let's close this one. Start with daily. This watershed is already selected. Starting time. Uh, Here start from 2003. Okay, and end time is up to date. Okay, and greet TIFF download. I'll add my email. Say okay. Yes, done. So here I show it you, and you can download for it's up to you to download whatever project you have. Now I show you how I download the data. Then I'll open ArcGIS to show you how to visualize, or if there any further analysis we can do it. Okay, let's close this one. Open ArcGIS. ArcGIS ArcMap. While it is loading, let's open and extract our data here. Extract file. Okay, here extract this one as well. Extract file. Okay, we can copy and paste this in one file, so we can easily navigate to what data we want, because I have a large type of data here. Okay, new folder, just name it A for the tutorial only. Okay, done. Let's open ArcGIS. Here navigate to where our data is in download. Say okay. Then let's start with the first one. Say okay. Okay, the second one. Third one. Okay, anyway, this will take time. Let's close it. This is daily data, so we have large data in this file, that's why it's lagging. Okay, no need to open all this one. Let's just show you one sample here. Okay, let's navigate to the first one. Let's close this one. Here we'll see our data. Okay, here we'll see our data and shape file. So let's change the color. Okay, where we see our data is slightly larger or bigger than our watershed. This is the fact that the data is stored, or the precipitation data, it is in pixel. That's why it's see like that. Okay, let's change the color from here to show you clearly the affected area with high precipitation and lower precipitation. Okay, this is how to download high resolution precipitation data. And thank you for watching. See you next video.